Let me show you the best value for money wireless microphones that you can currently get. And this is spec if you want to pause the video. And inside the box we actually get a really nice case, as well as a bunch of paperwork, warranty card, manual, even a bunch of stickers included. Also I got this adapter included as well for my phone. And also basically when you actually check the case quality, it's actually superb. So this is actually a proper case. And inside the case we actually get a bunch more stuff. By the way, the best part about these microphones actually is the price for it. Personally, I paid only $35 for this whole set, so this is a bit like no fuss version without charging case and only one this microphone. So at this price, they're absolutely insane value for money. But again, if you pay a bit more, so almost like double, you can also get these two microphones and also a charging case. But again, I highly suggest you basically this version. So for literally like $30 to $35, you can actually get really good sound quality from these. And again, they easily match microphones that actually retail for over $100. And actually I'm recording on other Comic microphone right now, and I have used their microphones in past. By the way, again, I purchased this myself, so I'll actually leave as basically the cheapest place where you can get. So, and also maybe I'll get some coupon codes that you can use on AliExpress to bring the price even down further. For this price, they're absolutely insane. So first, let's check out this microphone itself. And the size of it, obviously it's not as small as some other microphones basically these days, but actually the battery life is actually much better than on others. And also obviously the sound quality also is much better. So on the basically top we have the microphone capsule over here, and also a clip over here for the microphone. And also we have the power button, like a mute button, also these effect buttons like basically like noise reduction, stuff like that. So, and also the charging cable. Yeah, then on the receiver essentially we have basically actually a really decent screen. So again, you can connect multiple of these to this one. So again, I only got this one because yeah, I do not really need much. So, and for this price, yeah, it's absolutely ridiculous. So we can also output these to like regular cameras, and obviously we can also use it with a smartphone. So I usually, yeah, basically do that. So again, we have the charging pins if you have the case variant. So, and also we can adjust the gain basically here as well, and also your USB port. And again, the size of this is actually really decent, and overall quality also is actually really decent on this one. And also in the case we actually get a bunch more accessories, and this is what I really like about Comic microphones in general, because not only they cost very cheap money, always sound quality is great, but they also include like tons of different accessories for free basically with all their microphones. So we have a bunch of cables here, so, and also more cables. So this is the RRS essentially to regular TRS, I think. So again, if you actually purchase other microphones, you usually have to spend like $10 or $15 to get extra cable like this, so one cable. So essentially these cables alone are worth actually more than actually paid for the whole set. So a regular TRS cable, and also this like essentially a bit of dead cat essentially for the microphone itself. So you see also this is actually really good quality over here, and we can simply pop it on basically on the microphone, so for a bit of wind protection as well. And this is what the microphone sounds like. I'm currently speaking maybe like 10 centimeters away from it, pretty much directly inside it. Previously I was using my Comic VM40 microphone to record. You'll probably notice that they sound different since this is completely different type of microphone. Also this costs like almost 10 times more than this Vimo C. And again, I'm recording without the wind protector or any foam, so directly straight wind. And also let's check for plosives. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog while Peter was pickling his peppers in the backyard. So again, without any foam or whatever. And overall, I think the sound quality is extremely clean on this microphone. And when it comes to sound quality, I really think this microphone easily matches maybe microphones in like $100 or $150 range. So they're actually that good. And this is what the microphone sounds like outdoors without any protection whatsoever. And I also live in fairly busy city with some birds chirping around and someone probably working over there. so you can hear how it sounds like with quite some background noise actually in the background, and also a bit of wind blowing as well. Overall, for the price you're paying for this microphone, it totally sounds like much more expensive microphone. And again, easily, if I actually compare to, for example, something from like DJI, which costs maybe like $100 or $150, for example, the new DJI mic mini essentially, then this actually sounds slightly better than that microphone. So when I tested that microphone, when it comes to range, on the box it says 200 meters, but with these Comic microphones, actually find the range is maybe again like reliable range, maybe up to maximum 100 meters essentially. Also, I have a bit of wind blowing, so I'll keep shut. And overall, are these microphones actually worth it, and should you get them? Well, definitely, yep, I can actually highly suggest them. Not only we get excellent build quality, they also come with top-of-the-line features, so you can easily connect with any device. Also, the accessories included are also superb. The case is really nice, and obviously the sound quality, as you could hear, is absolutely top class really. So, and if you are wanting to spend like $100 and $150 on some other microphone, then really you're kind of wasting your money, because these again, they do really the same job. And again, we actually have like again really decent spec and also like technology on these microphones. So I mean, they're absolutely insanely good. And by the way, also these microphones kind of are a bit older models, so that way also they, I suppose, have dropped in the price significantly actually. So when they actually launched, they were more expensive than this actually. So basically, again, check the description. Basically, that will lead you to the cheapest place where you can get them, and that again will be from the official manufacturer. So again, it's really the cheapest place where you can get them. And again, I will try to maybe get some extra coupons from AliExpress directly that you can use to maybe bring the price down even further. But again, expect to pay maybe like 35 to up to $40. So for this set essentially I have over here, but again, you can maybe bring it down even further if they have some offers or some coupons. And again, it's really impossible to actually beat these microphones, and I can highly suggest them.